Cleaning your home can feel overwhelming, especially with demanding schedules and busy lives. Nobody wants to spend their precious free time pushing a vacuum around. Today, we're diving into the top 5 compact robot vacuum and mop combos available in 2026, designed to take the hassle out of maintaining a clean home. From navigating tight spaces to handling pet hair, these picks are perfect for simplifying your daily chores. Stick around to discover which device earns the top spot and why it might be the best investment for your cleaning needs. Don't forget, links in the description for current prices. And please, subscribe for more insightful reviews. Lefant Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Lefant Robot Vacuum and Mop stands out as an affordable option for those looking to maintain cleanliness without breaking the bank. This compact device is perfect for small apartments or homes with limited space, effortlessly gliding beneath furniture to capture dust and debris. Its dual functionality allows it to vacuum and mop simultaneously, making it ideal for quick cleanups after meals or spills. The Lefant boasts powerful suction and smart navigation technology, which enables it to avoid obstacles effectively. However, while it does a commendable job, its battery life may leave those with larger spaces wanting more, as it might need a recharge mid-clean. iRobot Roomba plus 415 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The iRobot Roomba plus 415 offers an advanced cleaning experience, perfect for busy households with pets. Equipped with smart mapping technology, this robot can remember your home's layout and customize its cleaning path accordingly, ensuring no corner is missed. Its ability to transition between vacuuming and mopping with ease makes it highly versatile, cleaning both carpets and hard floors efficiently. The Roomba Plus can also be controlled via smartphone, giving you the convenience of cleaning on the go. While its price point is higher than some competitors, the quality and performance justify the investment for pet owners or large families seeking a reliable cleaning assistant. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo has become a favorite for those looking for a versatile cleaning solution. With its sleek design and powerful suction capabilities, it can tackle everything from crumbs to pet hair. Ideal for homes with a mix of flooring, this combo easily transitions between carpets and hard surfaces while providing a thorough mop function to tackle stains. Users appreciate its user-friendly app that allows for scheduling and mapping of cleaning routes. One downside is that it may struggle with thicker carpets, so those with plush rugs might find it less effective in those areas. Nonetheless, it's an excellent choice for general upkeep. Roborock Robot Vacuum Mop. The Roborock Robot Vacuum Mop is an innovative cleaning solution that combines efficiency with smart technology. With its powerful suction and advanced navigation system, this device excels at cleaning multiple surfaces while effectively avoiding obstacles. It's particularly well suited for larger homes thanks to its impressive battery life and large dustbin capacity. Users are often amazed by its mopping capabilities, which leave floors sparkling clean. Additionally, the Roborock features customizable cleaning modes, allowing you to tailor its performance based on your specific needs. One drawback is its size, which may not fit comfortably in smaller cabinets or storage spaces, but its performance is well worth the trade-off. Lefant Robot Vacuum and Mop. Claiming the top position is the Lefant Robot Vacuum and Mop, a standout product that combines efficiency and convenience in one compact design. Best suited for busy households, this robot offers powerful suction coupled with a reliable mopping function to keep your floors pristine. Its smart navigation technology allows it to maneuver around furniture with ease, making it ideal for tight spaces. Users rave about its user-friendly app, which enables remote control and scheduling, allowing for a truly hands-off cleaning experience. While the Lefant is generally quiet during operation, some users have noted that its dust bin may require frequent emptying, particularly in pet-heavy homes. Despite this minor inconvenience, it remains an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable cleaning companion. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 5 compact robot vacuums and mops of 2026. Each of these products brings unique strengths to the table, catering to various needs and budgets. If you found this review helpful, consider hitting the like button and sharing it with friends looking for cleaning solutions. Don't forget to subscribe for more product comparisons and reviews. Happy cleaning!